In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search by metadata or camera settings in Adobe Bridge. Adobe Bridge is a fantastic tool for organizing and managing your photos, especially when you have a large collection. With the ability to search by metadata, you'll have a more efficient way to locate exactly what you're looking for. To get started, you'll first want to open Adobe Bridge on your computer. Once you have it open, navigate to the menu bar at the top and go to Edit. From there, select Find, or, for a quicker option, you can simply press Ctrl and F on Windows or Command and F on Mac to open the Find dialog box. Now that you have the Find dialog box open, the first thing you'll need to do is set your search location. You can choose to search within the current folder you're in, include subfolders, or select an entire drive if you're unsure where the files might be. This flexibility is great for narrowing down or broadening your search depending on your needs. Next, you'll see an option to add metadata criteria. To do this, click on the plus sign. You'll notice that this allows you to specify what kind of metadata you'd like to search by. For example, if you're interested in particular camera settings, you might choose camera data and then select aperture or ISO speed ratings. Alternatively, you could choose all metadata and enter a specific keyword. This metadata search functionality can save you a significant amount of time, especially if you're working with large numbers of files. Once you've selected your search criteria, you'll see an option to choose between matching any or all of your chosen criteria. This is particularly helpful if you want to ensure that the search results are very precise, or if you're happy to have results that meet at least one of your criteria. It gives you control over how strict the search parameters will be. Additionally, there are options to include all subfolders or include non-indexed files. By checking these options, you can ensure that your search is as comprehensive as possible, although do keep in mind that including non-indexed files may slow down the search process a bit. Finally, after setting up all your parameters and adding criteria, it's time to click Find. Adobe Bridge will then start searching and display the results in the Content panel. You'll only see the files that meet your specified criteria, making it easier to manage and access the files you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to search by metadata or camera settings in Adobe Bridge. This method provides an efficient way to navigate your photo library and makes finding your images based on specific data a breeze. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore other ways Adobe Bridge can help streamline your workflow.